Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download Android Studio for Mac OS. Download and install. Let me click on the first link. So once you click on it, it will go to this page, download. Just drag it down at the end. When you come down, it will show you this place, platform Android Studio package. Which one you want. Okay, so now if you have Apple chip, it is 1.2 GB. I'm just clicking on this. You have to see the terms and conditions. Click on this one and download Android later. So once you click on that, it will start downloading this one. So now it is done. Let me click on this. So I just have to drag this one to applications. So let me open the applications. It is Android Studio is here. Double click on it. So let me click on open. This will be the look and feel of Android Studio. Click on next. So let me go for a standard version. Click on next. So these are all the things it will try to install. Click on next. Okay. Now click on accept. So click on accept. Click on finish. So let it download all the components which are available for Mac OS. Okay. Now it has installed all the things. Click on finish. This is the look and feel of Android Studio. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.